Hi, it's Miss Nicole from the South Fayette Township Library again. Do you remember last winter before everything shut down, we had a couple of family science nights? Well, in our first family science night, we did a lot of different science experiments, and one of the most popular was making slime worms. And I finally figured out how to get the sodium alginate solution into little pipettes that won't leak. I had to use heat to melt the tips. So we now have take and make kits that will be available starting July 15th at both the Bridgeville and the South Fayette Library. That'll include 3 different colors of the sodium alginate solution: green, blue, orange, and a little container of calcium chloride. Now, in order to make slime worms, you need to have the 2 different solutions. The sodium alginate solution. Sodium alginate comes in a huge package like this, and it requires some cooking, and you need a calcium chloride solution to cook the worms. So in your container that will be included in your kit, there should be 2 teaspoons of the calcium chloride solution. You only need 1 teaspoonful mixed in to 2 cups of water. So I'm taking the one in there. And why do you have extra? Well, you've got a couple of different colors of the other solution, and if the water gets tinted, you may want to make a fresh set of the calcium chloride solution. So I'm going to take my little whisk and stir it up. You want to dissolve all of those crystals, and you can see that it doesn't dissolve right away. So I like to do it in a little bit bigger bowl here so that you can dissolve it much better. Now, because I have a limited number of pipettes, I left some of it in the bottles. So I'm going to I added extra red to our orange so that you can see it a little bit better. So when you cut the tip off of your pipette, you'll have the equivalent of a squeeze bottle. Now, if you want to make slime worms, you're going to squeeze it around in a line. And these are really skinny coming out. Hopefully you'll get thicker strands with yours. Now, it needs to stay in the water for a good 60 seconds, 1 minute. Now, if you want to make something different than a worm and you want to make a slime ball, you can do that too by squeeze and drop. Squeeze and drop. And this is making balls and worms. So it's looking kind of cool and interesting. All right. So we're going to let it sit for 60 seconds, and I'll be right back. Okay, it's been 60 seconds. Let's see what we've got. So I'm going to scoop in and pull it out. Now, because I squirted all different kinds of colors in here, I have a lot of different slime worms. It almost looks like jewels in the light. So this is actually quite a lot of fun. I had some good time doing these. And then at the bottom, after you take out your strings, you'll see that you can get some little balls of the slime in little round balls. They are so cute. So starting July 15th, you can request the slime worm kits. There's a limited number at each library, so hopefully you'll be able to sign up and get a copy of one. So thanks, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye now.